The Scandinavian design aesthetic is renowned for its simplicity, functionality, and coziness. Rooted in the principles of hike, the style is perfect for creating a warm and inviting living room where you can relax and unwind. If you're looking to transform your living space into a Scandinavian-inspired haven, here are some ideas to get you started. Scandinavian interiors are defined by their light and airy atmosphere, designed to embrace simplicity and natural beauty. The key to achieving this serene environment lies in the colors you choose. Start by opting for a neutral color palette. Shades of white, cream, light gray, and beige form the foundation of a Scandinavian-inspired space. These hues not only reflect natural light, but also create a calming and open feel throughout your living room. To add depth and warmth, incorporate soft pastel accents. Blush pink, sage green, or dusty blue can infuse your space with a gentle touch of color, creating a harmonious balance between modern minimalism and cozy comfort. By embracing a neutral color palette with soft pastels, you can effortlessly transform your living room into a Scandinavian-inspired retreat, one that feels open, serene, and filled with warmth. One of the hallmarks of Scandinavian design is its connection to nature. To bring the outdoors in, incorporate natural materials like wood, wool, and leather into your living room. Light-toned woods, such as oak or pine, are staples of Scandinavian interiors. These warm, natural materials add a sense of earthiness and tranquility to any space. Whether used for flooring, furniture, or decorative elements, wood instantly creates a cozy, organic feel. Pair these wooden textures with soft textiles like wool and leather to create a harmonious balance. A wool rug or throw blanket can soften the look of wooden surfaces while adding texture and warmth, while leather accents bring a touch of sophistication and durability. By mixing these natural materials, you create a living room that feels grounded and serene, with a perfect blend of rustic charm and modern elegance. The combination of wood's earthy tones, wool's softness, and leather's sleekness brings both comfort and style into your space. Scandinavian living rooms are the perfect blend of functionality and simplicity. Every element serves a purpose, contributing to a space that is both beautiful and practical. Start by choosing furniture with clean lines and minimal ornamentation. Low-profile sofas, mid-century modern chairs, and sleek coffee tables are ideal for this style, offering both comfort and elegance without overwhelming the space. The key to Scandinavian design is maintaining an open, uncluttered layout. By keeping your space simple and organized, you ensure it feels airy and breathable, a perfect setting for relaxation and unwinding. Keep decorations to a minimum. Choose a few thoughtfully placed items that reflect your personal style, like a single plant or a piece of art. This maintains the clean, serene atmosphere while still adding character to the room. In a Scandinavian living room, every piece has its place. The simplicity of the furniture and the thoughtful layout make the room feel spacious, inviting, and effortlessly stylish. By embracing functional, simple design, you create a living room that is both beautiful and easy to live in, a space where comfort meets elegance. To create a living room that's truly cozy and inviting, the secret lies in the soft textiles. These elements not only enhance the warmth of the space, but also bring a sense of comfort and relaxation. Layering soft textiles like wool throws, knit blankets, and faux fur cushions adds texture and warmth to your living room. These cozy accents invite you to relax and unwind, making your space feel like a welcoming sanctuary. For a harmonious look, opt for neutral or muted tones. Soft grays, creams, and earthier shades complement the Scandinavian aesthetic and help create a serene, soothing atmosphere throughout the room. By thoughtfully layering textiles, choosing warm tones, and adding a soft rug, you can create a living room that feels both stylish and incredibly cozy, a perfect place to relax, entertain, and truly feel at home. Transform your living room into a cozy haven with soft textiles that embrace both comfort and style. Lighting is essential in Scandinavian design, especially in regions with long, dark winters. It's not just about illumination. It's about creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere that makes your home feel cozy and inviting, no matter the time of day. In a Scandinavian living room, a mix of lighting sources is key. Pendant lights above the seating area, sleek floor lamps by the couch, and table lamps on side tables all work together to create layers of light. This helps set a relaxed, comfortable ambience that feels warm and inviting. Look for lighting fixtures with simple designs and natural materials, like wood and metal. These materials seamlessly blend into the Scandinavian aesthetic, adding texture and warmth without overpowering the space. By thoughtfully layering different light sources, you can transform your living room into a peaceful retreat, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The warm glow of natural materials and simple designs will make your space feel more open and inviting. Plants bring life and freshness to any Scandinavian living room, infusing the space with natural beauty and a sense of tranquility. In this design, greenery isn't just decorative, it's an essential part of creating a welcoming and peaceful atmosphere. For a fuss-free yet vibrant look, choose low-maintenance indoor plants like snake plants, pothos, or rubber trees. These plants thrive with minimal care, making them perfect for busy lifestyles while adding a touch of nature to your space. To maintain the cohesive Scandinavian aesthetic, place your plants in simple, neutral-colored pots or woven baskets. The understated designs complement the minimalist style of the room, letting the plants shine without overwhelming the space. These plants not only add a burst of greenery, but also improve the air quality, making your living room feel even fresher. Whether placed by the window or in a cozy corner, they bring a calming, natural element to the room. By incorporating plants into your Scandinavian living room, you create a space that feels alive, balanced, and beautifully connected to nature. Bring a little piece of nature indoors and let your living room flourish with the beauty of plants. While Scandinavian design leans towards minimalism, it's the small personal touches that can make your living room feel truly like home. It's about striking the perfect balance between simplicity and warmth. Incorporate framed art, books, or candles to add character and life to the room. These thoughtful pieces not only reflect your personal style, but also create a sense of comfort and familiarity. To keep the space cohesive, choose decor items with natural textures or subtle patterns. Wooden frames, ceramic vases, or woven baskets introduce tactile elements that align with the Scandinavian love for nature, while maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. These small yet meaningful additions allow you to infuse personality into your space without overwhelming it. The result is a living room that feels both curated and inviting, a place where you can truly unwind and feel at home. By thoughtfully incorporating personal touches, you create a living room that feels both minimalist and lived in, perfectly Scandinavian and uniquely yours. Nothing says cozy quite like the warmth of a fireplace or the soft, flickering glow of candles. These elements instantly transform a space, creating an atmosphere that feels inviting and serene. If you're lucky enough to have a fireplace, it's the heart of the room, radiating warmth and comfort. But if you don't have one, you can easily replicate that cozy ambience with candles. Arrange a cluster of candles in varying heights on a tray or shelf to create a similar, inviting effect. The beauty of candles lies not only in their light, but in their ability to add layers of warmth and intimacy to your space. When placed together, They create a gentle flicker that soothes the mind and enhances the cozy atmosphere of a Scandinavian living room. Whether by the fireplace or scattered across your living room, candles bring a sense of calm and relaxation, making your home feel like a sanctuary. Nothing says cozy like the warmth of a candle. Let your living room glow. In a Scandinavian living room, clutter can disrupt the calm and tranquility that this design is known for. To maintain that serene atmosphere, it's essential to keep your space organized and functional. Opt for functional storage solutions, such as built-in shelves, baskets, or storage ottomans. These items not only help you keep everything in its place, but also blend seamlessly into the minimalist aesthetic. Built-in shelves allow you to store your belongings while displaying your favorite pieces, adding a personal touch to the space without cluttering it. Baskets and storage ottomans offer hidden storage that keeps everyday items out of sight, preserving the clean and open feel of the room. By keeping your space tidy and organized, you enhance the minimalist design, allowing the beauty of the room to shine through. Every piece in a Scandinavian living room has a purpose, contributing to both function and style. When your space is organized, the tranquil atmosphere of Scandinavian design can truly shine, making your living room not just a place to live, but a place to unwind and find peace. Embrace simplicity and let your living room's beauty shine through by keeping it clutter-free. Scandinavian design has always placed a strong emphasis on sustainability. It's about creating spaces that are not only beautiful and functional, but also kind to the environment. Choose furniture and decor made from eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood, bamboo, or recycled metals. These sustainable choices not only support the natural world, but also align perfectly with the principles of Scandinavian design: simple, timeless, and mindful of the environment. Look for decor items that are made from natural fibers, such as organic cotton, wool, or linen. Even the lighting fixtures can be sourced from brands that prioritize ethical production methods, ensuring your space remains both stylish and environmentally responsible. Support brands that prioritize ethical practices, whether that means using sustainably sourced materials or reducing their carbon footprint. These conscious choices help build a greener home, one that reflects not just your style, but also your values. A cozy Scandinavian living room is all about balancing functionality, simplicity, and comfort. By incorporating natural materials, light tones, and thoughtful decor, you can create a space that is both stylish and inviting. Whether you're curling up with a book, hosting friends, or simply enjoying a quiet evening, this timeless design ensures your living room is the perfect sanctuary.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.